back here, and this week I'll be talking to you about the importance of staying calm while communicating, okay? This because it will allow you to do two very important things while talking to the people around you, okay? So number one, it will allow you to spot the little hints that people are letting go while communicating with you and while being emotional, meaning sad, mad, or happy, which will then allow you to collect as much information as you possibly can from your surroundings. And two, it will allow you to stay calm while you talk to others who are going crazy around you, which in the end will allow you to make sound decisions that will most help you, most benefit you in the long run. So, if you guys have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please post them in the box below and I will get to them as quickly as possible. If you have liked this video, please share it with all your contacts and go check out my website at www.interpersonalcommunication.ca, whose link I'll add below, and where you can sign up to my mailing list. Now, I wish you all a very good and productive week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!